Using outside sources of information. When you have conversations with people, it is always possible to ask, "Where did you hear that?" Or, "How do you know?" The other people can tell you where their ideas come from. Similarly, in informal writing, like emails to friends, it is not usually important to explain where your ideas come from. If you do want more details, you can simply ask. Academic writing, however, is different. Academic writers often use information from a variety of sources, but it is not possible for readers to ask where these ideas come from. Therefore, in an academic essay, you must include details about where you found ideas. This is called a citation. If you want to include someone else's ideas in your writing, there are two techniques you can use. The first is to include a quotation. A quotation is when you use another writer's exact words. To do this, you must put quotation marks around the words. For example, to use this information from a language expert, use a quotation and include quotation marks. It is also very common to show where the quote came from by using an expression like "according to" and the name of the person who said it. Other common expressions include "research suggests that," "studies show that," and "according to one source." The second technique for including someone else's ideas in your writing is to paraphrase. To paraphrase means to put another writer's idea in your own words. This means that you write the same idea in a different way. Remember that you still have to tell your readers where the idea came from, even when you paraphrase. For example, read the example from earlier. Now read a paraphrase of the original. The paraphrase uses different words to express the same idea. You can also add an expression like "according to" show that the idea is not yours. You can use the same expressions that you use for quotations. Every time you use a quotation or a paraphrase, you must include a citation with details about the original source. The citation tells your reader exactly where you found the information. Give the citation right after a quotation or a paraphrase. There are a number of acceptable ways to give citations, so ask your teacher which way is correct for your class. It is extremely important to include citations in academic writing. If you do not say where the ideas or information came from, it is called plagiarism. At colleges and universities in North America, plagiarism is a very serious offense. It is considered stealing. Always use quotation marks or paraphrase information carefully to avoid plagiarism. Whether you find information in a book, an article, on the internet, or anywhere else, you must include a citation.